Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. I film my thumbnails before I start taping, and I just filmed the thumbnail for this, and I wanted to make a face because what I thought about trying to say with my thumbnail is if we named our videos like they name episodes, this would be the one where she couldn't open the box. The way they have it set up, I think I'm going in from the bottom, but I didn't want to go any further until we were on here. Guess what? After that weird intro, this is an e.l.f. box, and it is the entire Chipotle set. So let's get in here and check it out. So I'm gonna continue to open this, but look, once I open it, the tear apart thing was absolutely here. Once I tore it open, this tore back, but now it looks, look, like I'm getting in from the bottom. This is an unusual box. I've never ordered from e.l.f. If this is how it always is and I'm actually doing it right, I would appreciate you letting me know. Yeah, no, this is definitely from the bottom. So let me take everything out. I ordered this the day that it was available. I've had it here probably about a week, and I was so lucky. I got the entire collection. I signed on, got it right away. They sent it out right away. I just haven't taken the opportunity to make this video since I was trying to finish up all of my March ones. But this is such a cool collection. One of the things that I miss the most, no, that's obviously an overstatement because obviously it would be my children, my grandchildren, my parents. I miss all of those people the most. But when you knock it down to the frivolous things, what do you miss? My husband and I aren't even carrying out food. So if we have eaten it since March 12th of last year, I have cooked it. And one of the things I miss so very much is Chipotle. So when I saw this collection, I knew I had to have it. Also, for those keeping track, I also miss Kava a whole lot. Right before I put this up, I will go over to e.l.f. and see what is available in the collection, and I will be letting you guys know here. And that's just as of when I do my final edit to put it up. The full collection is sponges, a lippy, eyeshadows, and a bag. Let's start right off with the sponges because it is what I have personally been the most excited to see in person. I use beauty sponges for everything. I use them for my foundation. I use them for my concealer. Sometimes I use them to do powder under my eyes. After I mist, I use it to beat in the mist. I use a lot. If you watch the channel, you guys have heard me talk in the past. I have tried. I have opinions about beauty sponges. If ever you have any questions, just let me know. I have probably tried it. So when they offered this one, there was no way I wasn't gonna have it. Because look, it's avocado. So it's a full-size beauty blender and then a small beauty blender. And it's made, it doesn't have a divot in it or anything, but it's made to look like an avocado. How stinking cute is that? So you have your little avocado seed, and this is what I use. This is about almost the exact size that I use. And of course, when you get them wet, they grow a little bit. This is what I use to do my concealer, and then I use the bottom end to tap my paint pot on my eyelids. Every day I use something this size, and then a regular size beauty blender. I use for a bajillion things. I kind of like that this has a flat side because one of the things I do is after I put my makeup on, I mist, I give it a minute, and then I think a flat edge might be great for that. How cute is that? And just for the record, I really like the density of these. It's firm, but not too firm. I can't wait to try them. And next we have the Lippies, and I actually got 2 of these because when I was talking about the collection, my daughter said, oh, the Lippy sounds really cool. And this was all such a great price. I don't remember everything. I will let you know down here, but I want to say this was like $6 or $8. It was so reasonable. And it's actually a lip gloss and it's called Hot Salsa. Well, we're gonna get into mine and put a little bit on. And as I recall, it is a plumping lip gloss. Yes, Make It Hot Lip Plumping Gloss. I really like the component. It's kind of, see how it's thick and almost lucite looking? It's really very nice looking, and it has the Chipotle insignia on it. That is so stinking cute. The back of this says, it's the e.l.f. X Chipotle collection you didn't know you were waiting for. That is true. Customize your makeup looks the same way you customize your go-to Chipotle order. And remember, it's okay to be a little extra, because you know, guac is extra, but so am I. I love their salads. I love the bowls. I used to get the burritos back in the day, but I discovered they're really big. Okay, we're gonna put a little on. Can't smell anything on my lips yet. Oh, but it is giving me kind of a cherry glow. I like that a lot. Oh, yeah. I think there's a little heat to it. It's not stinging. All right, well, we'll leave it and we'll see what happens, but I like it a lot. I don't taste anything, and I don't think I smell anything. I don't. It might just be me. If you did by chance pick this up, Do you smell anything? It doesn't smell minty or anything to me, but I do feel a little tingling with it, and I love the way it looks on my lips. It's just kind of a your lips, but better and shiny. This is the next fun thing. I'm saving the palette for last because I'm gonna swatch it, and then of course, once I have it on me, I'll get it on everything. I have gotten Ipsy for years. So you know what the last thing I need is? A makeup bag. But guys, it looks like the Chips bag. If you don't love or at least know Chipotle right now, you're thinking, the girl has lost her mind. But yeah, in a good way. It's like a paper bag. That actually, it looks like it might be a really thick paper that they've put plastic over. It's just so cool looking. I mean, it's okay to be a little extra E.l.f. x Chipotle. So it has a zipper on top. And the inside, oh, it gets really big. I mean, heck, you could probably use this for your lunch. The inside looks thermal. It's got that silver thermal look to it. Has a little... I'm not sure what I'm going to use it for yet. I don't carry mini purses that are necessarily that deep. Like the side says Chipotle. But I had to have it. I had to. I had to. Okay, and last but not least, the palette, and it's the E.l.f. x Chipotle Mexican Grill Chipotle Eyeshadow Palette. And that is what it looks like. And the back says, look familiar? We replicated the Chipotle line to serve up this 12-piece eyeshadow palette with your Chipotle-inspired look. Feeling mild, medium, or hot? Create the look that's best for your taste. Just for the record, my lips are a little en fuego. I don't know if they're looking more yet. I will take any amount of stinging or heat I can get if it makes my thin lips look better. The heat is building. I love that color. I had a little bit of a dark nude on. I mean, you saw it at the beginning. I really like what that added. Anyway, eyeshadows. Oh, that's so cute. Here, let me get the plastic off. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. So the top just has a mirror. Bends back really nicely and easily, which I love. And then that's the palette. How cool looking is that? Plus, it had greens. If it hadn't had the greens, I don't know that it could have won me over, but you can definitely, greens and purples. You can win me over every time with greens and purples. Let's swatch it. Also, and I didn't notice this when I purchased it, it's set up in quads. I mean, obviously, I'm gonna use whatever I wanna use whenever I wanna use it, but it's set up in little quads. Like, these are cool, and these are warmer colors, and then of course you have your greens, and they're very warm greens. That's how we're gonna swatch them. So we'll go with that green, and then this one is a shimmer, so pretty. And the brown is a shimmer. And then we have this pretty rustish color. So that's the first set. Oh my gosh, the green, they're all pretty, but the green that is a shimmer is amazing. But those are the first four colors. Is it fun, or do you guys think I've lost my mind? I think it is so stinking cute. This foursome only has the one matte in it, which is this kind of chocolatey brown. And then we have the gold, this kind of bronzy rose gold, and then this beautiful brown. Those are gorgeous. Those are so pretty. I cannot wait to use these with brushes. Though that's just a pretty neutral, warm look. That's so pretty. In the fall, especially, that would be gorgeous. And last but not least, we have this one here, and it has this really dark brown. Gorgeous. I think this is a shimmery light color. Yeah, that has shimmer to it. This is a shimmery kind of goldish color. Yes. This one looks like it might have a little purple throw to it. I think it does. See how it's just got a little bit. The brown doesn't go on nearly as dark as it is in the palette. So personally, I like that. Oh my gosh, look how icy white. I hope you guys can tell how icy white that white is that's next to the brown. And then the gold. I'm just stopping to show all of these. And then this last one is the one that I said almost has a little bit of kind of a purple throw to it. This one, see, because that's the true brown. Those are so pretty. Yay. I love that this set, while it was super fun, and that's what absolutely drew me to it, that and missing my Chipotle so much, I love that it was a really pretty palette full of colors that I will use. And this lip gloss, which I think looks really pretty. It's just a real kind of cherry stained, natural, gonna be great all summer long, especially if it plumps my lips. Could it be any cuter beauty sponge? The answer is no, it just couldn't be any cuter. That's so cute. And then, and this is probably the farthest out there, this kind of rucksack looking makeup bag, but it's so stinking cute. So that is the E.l.f. X Chipotle collection. I think it's adorable. I have let you know down below what is available right now. I haven't used the eyeshadow, so I can't say anything about those. I will tell you, I would recommend this as long as you're not bothered by a little bit of tingling. That seems to have passed, or I have gotten used to it, but I think it's passed. Let me know below, what do you guys think? Have you bought any? There have been a lot of really cool collabs out there, like this one, ColourPop is doing the Lizzie McGuire. If you've purchased a fun collab recently, or even in the past, let me know below how happy you were with it. I know sometimes people say, well, some of the collabs don't have the best quality, but this is gorgeous, and it's E.l.f. and it was, I think this entire set was like $50. A little more because I bought the second lippy for my daughter. That seems really reasonable to me. Let me know below what you guys think. Thank you so much for coming by. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. Take care, guys. I can't wait to get out and get some Chipotle. So